Hi, Year 3. I thought I'd try today with a video. Thought maybe if you see my face, it's a bit less boring than looking at a yellow screen. So hello, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so yesterday's lesson was measuring volume in milliliters, and today we're measuring capacity in milliliters. So can we remember what volume means? I'm going to write it down here. Okay. And then remember, I spelled volume wrong there. So hopefully you're shouting at the screen to me. If only I could hear you. So the volume is the amount of water in the container. Okay. So we were measuring how much water was in our containers yesterday, weren't we? So hopefully you managed to have a look at some containers in your house that might have measuring lines on in your kitchen. If not, don't worry about it. You can use the work to help you. But if you have any measuring jugs in your house, then maybe this week have a go at it. Okay. So today we're looking at the capacity. So capacity means how big the container is. So not looking too much of how much water is in it, but how much the container can hold. How much water can you pour into the container? So our first question, how can we use this beaker to find out the amount of water the bottle can hold? So how do you think we could answer this? What do you think we could do to this bottle to work out how much liquid is in it? I reckon if we were in class right now, all your hands would be up and you'd be saying, I know, Mrs. Boyd, I know. And I think you'd be right. We'd pour this water into this beaker here. Okay, see how much is in it. So this beaker measures up to 500 milliliters. Can we see? All the way to the top up here measures up to 500 milliliters. And each marker is worth 50 milliliters. So if we went to write this in a sentence, we would say the capacity of the beaker is 500 milliliters. Let's count in 50 to check that it's correct. 50, 100, I hope you're counting with me, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500 milliliters. Okay, so the capacity of the bottle is how much the liquid can hold. Okay, so it's not about how much liquid is in the bottle, how much can your beaker or your jug hold? This one is 500 milliliters. Okay, so now moving down to question 2, this bit here. So how much was in that? But let's go back to this question. How much water was in this bottle? So we're pouring all that water out of this bottle and it's going up to, oh look, it's on one of the middle lines here. So if it's past 300, it's between 300 and 400. It's halfway between 300 and 400. What could it be? If you look at the top up here, this might help us. 300, 350, 400. Okay, so the capacity of the bottle is about 350 milliliters. A rough estimate of 350 milliliters. Okay, so look at the guided practice now. So our guided practice wants us to tell us how much water is in the volume of each let me start again. The guided practice wants us to see the amount of water in each beaker, but I'm going to add to that. I'm going to add another sentence to it. So I want you to tell me how much the capacity of each beaker is as well. Okay, so let's look at the first one. The volume of coloured water in the beaker is about how many? So is it counting in 50s? Let's count. 50, 100, 150, 200. So it's about 200 milliliters. Okay, now we can write the capacity of the beaker is how much? What's the capacity of this beaker? Let's have a look. Let's go to the top. Oh, it's 500 milliliters. Okay, let's have a look at B. So the volume of coloured water in this beaker is, all the way to the top, it's measuring in 50s again. What's between 400 and 500? 450 milliliters. What's the capacity of the beaker? So the capacity of the beaker is again 500 milliliters. It doesn't matter that it's the same, it's just so you understand what capacity means. So the volume of coloured water in the beaker is about 50, 100, 150 millilitres. Okay? And then we can write the capacity of the beaker. Again, let's have a look. It's 500 millilitres. Okay, you might see that I've written ml here instead of millilitres, like we've been writing it out. That is because it's short for millilitres, a bit like centimetres, we write cm, and for metres, we write m. For millilitres, we can write ml. So you can do that too, that's fine. Okay, you can do that as well. So I want you to write both sentences, the volume and the capacity for each one. So that's 6 sentences altogether. Do you think you can write 6 sentences? I think you can. You definitely can. Okay, so you can pause the video here, press the pause button, write all those sentences out, and then I'm going to move on to the activities page. And below this button, you'll have some activities. You can self-mark your answers again. Again, I spelled answers wrong. You can self-mark your answers again. Good luck with it. I've got some yellow questions on there so you can extend it. If you want to push yourself, do the best you can do your yellow questions. Okay? Good luck. I hope it goes well. See you soon. Bye.